Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best wine coolers in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Antarctic Star 26 Bottle Wine Cooler. The Antarctic Star 26 Bottle Wine Cooler is a perfect addition to any home bar or kitchen. With its sleek design and quiet compressor, this mini wine cellar is capable of cooling and storing up to 26 bottles of wine or 130 cans of beer or soda. The clear glass door allows you to showcase your collection, while the adjustable temperature control ensures that your beverages are always at the perfect temperature. The 3.2 cubic feet internal storage offers plenty of space for all of your beverages, and the freestanding design means that this cooler can fit into any existing kitchen or bar setup. Enjoy a cold beverage anytime you like with the Antarctic Star 26 Bottle Wine Cooler / Cabinet Beverage Refrigerator. Pros: quiet compressor, adjustable temperature, freestanding, stores up to 130 cans. Clear glass door. Countertop installation. Cons: not suitable for large wine collections. Limited temperature range. Not suitable for long-term storage of wines. Number 2. Our second best pick is Koolatron Urban Series 6 Bottle Wine Cooler. The Koolatron Urban Series 6 Bottle Wine Cooler is the perfect way to keep your favorite bottles of wine chilled and ready to enjoy. This freestanding wine refrigerator has a 0.65 cubic feet capacity and is equipped with thermoelectric cooling technology, making it the ideal choice for small kitchens, apartments, condos, cottages, and RVs. It features adjustable temperature control with a range of 46 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can keep your whites and reds at the perfect temperature. The interior light illuminates the interior, allowing you to easily see which bottle you're looking for. The double-pane glass door blocks out UV rays, so your wine is preserved and protected from the sun's harmful rays. This stylish and efficient wine cooler will keep your wine at the perfect temperature, so you can enjoy it anytime. Pros: compact size, ideal for small kitchens, apartments, condos, cottages, and RVs. Thermoelectric cooling system runs quietly, without vibration. Adjustable temperature settings to properly store red, white, or sparkling wines. Holds up to 6 bottles of wine. LED temperature display for easy monitoring. Cons: not suitable for long-term storage of wine. No humidity control for storing more delicate wines. Limited space for larger bottles. Number 3. Our third best pick is Aobosi 15-inch Wine Cooler. This Aobosi 15-inch dual-zone wine refrigerator is the perfect appliance for any wine enthusiast. With a temperature range of 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 66 degrees Fahrenheit and a large capacity of up to 28 bottles, this refrigerator can store and chill a variety of wines. The dual-zone design allows you to store both red and white wines at their optimal temperatures. The stainless steel tempered glass door and memory function will ensure your wine stays at the perfect temperature and humidity. The refrigerator also features a convenient built-in or freestanding design, and can even fit champagne bottles. With its easy-to-use digital panel, this refrigerator is a must-have for any wine lover. Pros: upgraded design and features. Has a stainless steel tempered glass door. Memory function. Can fit champagne bottles. Freestanding and built-in options. Cons: small storage capacity, 28 bottles. Limited temperature range, dual zone. High price tag. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Calamara 15-inch Wine Cooler. The Calamara 15-inch Wine Cooler is the perfect storage solution for all your favorite vintages. With its 28-bottle capacity, stainless steel and double-layer tempered glass door, you'll be able to store, chill and display your wines in style. The built-in or freestanding design allows you to find the perfect place for your cooler in your home, while the temperature memory function ensures that you always have perfectly chilled wines, no matter the season. The adjustable temperature control gives you the flexibility to store both red and white wines at the perfect temperature, and the LED temperature display ensures that you always have the exact temperature at your fingertips. With Koolatron's wine cooler, you'll be able to keep your best vintages perfectly chilled, giving you the perfect way to enjoy them. Pros: stainless steel construction, double-layer tempered glass door, temperature memory function, holds up to 28 bottles, can be used as either a built-in or freestanding unit. Cons: may be too small for some users. Price tag may be too high for some budgets. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Nuaire 24-inch wine and beverage refrigerator cooler. This Nuaire 24-inch wine and beverage refrigerator cooler offers an impressive 20-bottle and 70-can capacity and is perfect for storing all your favorite drinks. With its dual-zone cooling system, you can keep both your wine and beverages at their ideal temperatures. The stainless steel finish and split-shelf design give this refrigerator a sleek and modern look that is sure to elevate any space. An adjustable thermostat allows you to easily set and maintain the perfect temperature for your drinks. This refrigerator can be used as either a built-in or freestanding unit, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen, bar, or entertainment area. Enjoy perfectly chilled drinks with the Nuaire wine and beverage refrigerator cooler. Pros: large capacity for both bottles and cans. Dual zone cooling for optimal temperature control. Sleek stainless steel design. Built-in or freestanding options. Split shelf for increased storage options. Cons: expensive compared to other models. Noisy operation. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day!